Now we need to write what? Interest deposited or interest received on deposit. Okay, interest on deposit. So what is the value we have received out of deposit? Interest received is 6,000. But we need to see whether there is any outstanding. There is outstanding. See, the total value of deposit is 1 lakh, which they have given, and we are going to get 10% return. So if if there is a 10% return on 1 lakh, means the interest we need to receive is 10,000. But we have received only 6,000. So outstanding is only 4,000. So write outstanding and write the amount in outer column. And then see what and all the item we need to get. So there is a receipt from the billiard table. So receipt from billiard room, that is 86,000. Okay. That we need to write. Okay, then we need to write what? Income side. Whatever the items which are there in expenditure side, we need to write. So this is the expenditure side, na? This one is income side. So on the expenditure side, all the payments we need to write, right? Sundry expenses amounting to rupees 8,000. Then fuel we have written where? We have written under trading account. So fuel we should not write. Okay. Then lighting is there, amounting to rupees 44,250. Then we need to write wages. See here, wages 1,25,000 is of restaurant value. So out of 2,30,750. See, 2,30,750 is the total value, out of which we need to deduct 1,25,000 as it is a restaurant value. Remaining is the wages which are related to NPO. Okay. So 2,30,750 minus 1,25,000 means the total worth of the wages is 1,05,750. Then write repairs and renewals. What is the amount of repairs and renewals? 44,750. Okay, then write down honorarium. Honorarium value which they have given is 80,000. Then write lighting, which we have already written. Then we need to write rent. Rent value is 87,250. Then what is the item we need to record? There is a cost of boarding, that is 87,250. How we got this 87,250? See, here is the calculation. The cost of boarding is 68,750, which they have given, right? Out of which 50,000 is what? 50,000 is charged to restaurant. So we need to deduct. Okay. So we are going to get 18,750. So 18,750 is the value. Then what and all the item remaining? There is a depreciation that we need to charge. Okay, we'll charge a depreciation on furniture 10%. So we need to charge on furniture. Okay, 10%. So furniture value on the beginning of the month 21,000 plus additional purchases made 23,500, upon which 10% we need to charge. So here we should write the furniture value 21,000 plus additional purchases. So add that 21,000 plus 23,500 into 10 by 100. So what is the depreciation amount? 4,450. Then on billiard table, okay, billiard table value which is calculated on billiard table is 12%. So billiard table value is 22,250, on which we need to calculate 12%. So 22,250 into 12 by 100, we are going to get 2,670. Okay, now all the items are recorded, so we need to calculate what? We need to see the total amount of income side. See, 86,000 plus 10,000 plus anything is remaining. See, here is the income amount. So there is, here see, 2,76,500, add 2,76,500 plus 86,250. So that is 4,58,750 is the total of income side. So where I am going to write that? Here I will write, okay, 4,58,750. Now I need to calculate all the income side total. Okay, 8,000 plus 44,250, 1,05,750, then 44,750, sorry, then 80,000, 87,250, 18,750, 4,450, 2,670. So we have got expenditure side lesser than the income side. That means this side is more, so there is a surplus, right? 2 surplus okay, we got the answer as 62,880. So what we need to do, this needs to be added to the capital fund. So let us prepare balance sheet, okay? Asset side, liability side. Okay, so let us start writing all the fixed asset. Okay, first one, which is the fixed asset, furniture, amount 21,000 plus purchase, which is additional purchase, 23,500. Then what we need to do, we need to charge depreciation. So add 21,000 plus 23,500, 44,500. Depreciation is 4,000. What is the depreciation value? 4,450. So the total of asset furniture is 40,050. Okay, then next asset is billiard table. Okay, value which they have given 22,250. Then there is a depreciation we have calculated, total is 19,580. Then we need to write what? There is a china glass value is 6,250. We have charged depreciation 1,250. So total is 5,000. Then remaining asset, there is outstanding subscription of current year 12,500. Then restaurant closing stock, that is 11,250. Then interest which is not yet received, right? 4,000, na? Right. Then there is a bank deposit worth 1 lakh. Then cash in hand which they have given, cash at bank which we have calculated. Okay, this one is all asset side. Okay, now we need to focus on liability side. So in liability side they have given the capital fund, so we need not calculate. And we got surplus, right? 62,880. So now total is 2,67,880. Then there is a subscription which is received in advance. In advance, amounting to rupees 3,000. Now we need to see whether they are getting tally or not. 2,67,880, 3,000. 2,70,880 is the liability side. Let us see whether it is tallying or not. Yeah, it is getting tally. Okay. Yes. This is the value. 2,70,880. So this is the end of the first chapter. If you have any doubt, ask me.